Leak repair tips I've mastered over 500 years. 1. If your faucet won't shut off completely and keeps dripping, start by prying off the top decorative cap. Unscrew the top screw with a screwdriver and remove the faucet handle. Use a wrench to tighten the valve seat inside. This should stop the leak. 2. For leaks at the faucet swivel, use an Allen wrench to loosen the side set screw counterclockwise. Remove the faucet's curved pipe and take out the seal. Wrap the groove with sealing tape or replace the seal if needed. Reattach the curved pipe and tighten the side set screw to fix the leak. 3. Don't rush to replace a leaking spray head. Unscrew the hose from the spray head and remove the seal. Pry off the brass cap and pull out the internal hose. Locate the leak, cut away the damaged part, and reassemble the spray head. This will fix the leak. 4. If your toilet tank keeps leaking, adjust the water level to be lower than the overflow pipe. This simple adjustment will resolve the issue. Follow for more practical home repair tips.